morning and Jajak to all of you. Now, dear student, the chapter admission of partner is very important. So, just I want to tell you certain very important point because this chapter is going to impact at least 4 chapters: admission, retirement, death, and dissolution. Now, see, the most important thing in admission of partner is the treatment of goodwill. Now, see, when the new partners are admitted in a partnership firm, you have to bring 2 things. One is capital, one is goodwill. That you have discussed earlier. Now, if he brings goodwill in cash, whenever the new partner brings goodwill in cash, when he brings goodwill in cash, it is called premium for goodwill. It means whenever the new partner brings goodwill in cash, it is called premium for goodwill. Most important, you know that we calculate sacrificing ratio. And we calculate sacrificing ratio for what? We calculate sacrificing ratio for treatment of goodwill. It means for entry of goodwill. Now just try to understand. There are 2 partners, A and B. A and B. Their ratio was 2:1. It means this is the old ratio. The old ratio of A and B is 2:1. Now they admitted new partner. They admitted new partner for 1/4 share. Now the old ratio of A and B was 2:1. The new partner share is 1/4. The new partner C brings 2 lakh as capital and 1,20,000 as goodwill. It means he brings 2 lakh as capital and 1,20,000 as goodwill. I told you earlier, if a new party is admitted with the consent of old partners, a new partnership deed is prepared. And when a new partnership deed is prepared, the new partner have to bring 2 things. One is capital and one is goodwill. Why he bring capital? To having right on assets. So having right on assets. Because he want to see a profit and loss and having right on assets. So therefore you have to bring the capital. And why he have to bring goodwill? He have to bring goodwill because old partners are sacrificing. The old partners are sacrificing something because when new partners come, the old partner have to sacrifice to compensate. To compensate, he have to bring the goodwill. Now see, the old ratio was that I have discussed earlier. The old ratio is 2:1 and new partner share is 1/C. 1/C, that is clear. Now see, you have to calculate the if of total profit. If of total profit you are giving 1/4 to C. It means of total profit 1/4 you are giving to C. So what is the remaining profit? What is the remaining profit? Because one thing is very important for calculating for treatment of goodwill, the calculation of sacrificing ratio is very important. So one remaining profit is how much? 1 minus 1/4. It is 3/4. So 3/4 is the remaining profit. Now see, very simple. After that, so of remaining profit, A will get how much? Of 3/4, the A will get how much? A will get 2/3 because his ratio is 2:3. It means 6/12. B will get how much? 3/4 of 1/3. Why like that? Because you see, the A-B ratio is 2:1, so 2/3 and 1/3, and C ratio is 1/4. We calculate, I am saying again, we calculate sacrificing for treatment of goodwill, for entry of goodwill. That is very important. Now see, again, A and B, A is 3/4 and B is 2/3. It means he is getting how much? 3/12. Then what is the C is getting? C ratio is 1/4. I told you earlier also, you have to make the denominator equal of all the shares. Then only you can divide shares. It is 12. So for making 12, you have to multiply by whom? Multiply by 3. And the amount which multiply in the denominator, the same amount will multiply in the numerator, will be 3/12. The ratio will be 6:3:3. It is what? It is the new ratio. It is the new ratio. The old ratio was 2:1 because there are only 2 partners, and new ratio was it is 6:3:3. It can be 2:1:1. It can be 2:1:1 because 3 2 ja 3 1 ja 3 1 ja, right? So now we do the treatment entry of goodwill. In this question, you see the partners bring the goodwill in cash. The partner brings the goodwill in cash. It means it is a premium for, therefore you will say the premium for goodwill. Now entry will be very simple. The entry will be cash account debit to seize capital account to premium for goodwill. Remember one thing, whenever you write in the exam the cash account debit, cash or bank, you can write bank also, to C capital to premium, you have to write premium for goodwill. Whenever new partner bring goodwill in cash, is called premium for goodwill. How much cap the new partner bring? He brings 2 lakh capital and 1,20,000 as goodwill. Now see, so you write 2 lakh capital and 1,20,000 as goodwill. It means total amount how is it? It will be 3,20,000. Here I am not following the journal format, I just want to explain, but you have to do in the proper journal form, right? And you have to write the narration. It means the first entry, always remember the first entry. The first entry, the cash is coming in the form. So cash account debit, who is the giver? C is the giver. The cash account debit to C capital to premium for goodwill. Whenever the new partner bring goodwill in cash, it is called premium for goodwill. What is the next entry? There you use the segment. The next entry will be premium for goodwill. In this question, both the partners are sacrificing. You have to calculate the sacrificing ratio, right? Both the partners are sacrificing. How you calculate the sacrifice? Now see, I told earlier, what is the old ratio? The old ratio is 2:1. The new ratio is 6:3:3. So for the treatment of goodwill, you have to calculate the sacrifice. So I am calculating the sacrificing ratio of A. If only the old partner will sacrifice, new, how can the new calculate? The old ratio was 2/3. 2:1 means 2/3, and new ratio is 2/4, because 2:1. It is not 6:3:2. It can be 2:1, 2:1:1. It can be 2/4. It will be how much? It will be 12. 4 to the 8 minus 6. It will be 2/12. And now B is 1/3 minus 1/4, because the ratio of B is 2:1:4. The old ratio is 1/3 and 1/4. So it will be 1/4. It is the simple thing is that 12, 4 minus 3, it will be 1/12. So what is the sacrificing ratio? 2:1. Now the sacrificing ratio is same as the old ratio. It means if there is no disturbance done in the new ratio, then the sacrificing ratio and old ratio will be same in most of the cases. If you have not done any disturbance, then the ratio of the old ratio and the sacrificing and the new ratio will be, sacrificing ratio and new ratio will be same. But it is better to calculate. Now see, I told you the sacrificing ratio is used for what? For the transfer of premium for goodwill, because the partners who are sacrificing, they have to compensate it. So 2A is capital and 2B is capital. Now what is the premium for goodwill? 1,20,000. It is the premium for goodwill of which new partner is bringing. The cash the new partner bring as a goodwill is called premium for goodwill. So premium for goodwill account debit is 1,20,000. So it will divide into which ratio? Sacrificing ratio. In this question, the sacrificing ratio as well as, now see, sacrificing is 2:1, as well as the old ratio is 2, both are equal. Now see, it will how much? The 1,20,000. So 2/3, 1/3. It will be how much? It will be 80,000 and 40,000. So one thing is very clear. The new partner bring goodwill and capital. He bring capital to become the partner of the firm and having right on assets and share profit and loss. And he bring goodwill to compensate the sacrificing partner. And we calculate the sacrificing ratio for the distribution of the goodwill. And the new partner bring goodwill in cash is called premium for goodwill. And premium for goodwill, we write premium for goodwill to old partner's capital account, but it is always divided into sacrificing ratio. Remember, the goodwill is always divided into sacrificing ratio. That is very important. Thank you.